Hey guys, so in this video I will show how to open and how to read and how to write something to the file in Python. So the file is created. It is a simple text, and in the Python need to write this for operation the read text. Yeah, and so if you write this type, it is a text wrapper. How to read something from the from the file. So need to write f.read, and this is, and if you print it will be the two line. It has a two line here, and so this is a default to read, and if you want to, but you can also specify how many characters you want to return. Here, if you write, for example, 3, and if you open again and if you read, it will be a 3 characters. So you can specify how many characters you want to return here. And if you run again, it will be the next 3 characters. So the first 3 and the next 3, it will be, it's here is a space. Yeah, so if you want to read but one line, so again need to open this file, and if you want to read one line, you need to use the f.readLine, and here will be one line in the text, and if you again, so it will be a next line. But if you create a for loop, so for I in F, and print X, so the again open, and if you run this, so it will it is I, so it will be the second line. But if you open again, so it will be the full text in here. So always close the file when you are done with it. So need to use the f.close, and the file is closed. So the next video I want to show how to write for the text. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.